Hi, I'm Mike Marko with Capital. You got a minute? Have you looked at the Pioneer Elite receiver lineup lately? You're no doubt familiar with the strong Pioneer Elite name, but you may not be aware of the Elite Series receivers with special features with a custom installer in mind. Pioneer Elite receivers have incorporated RS-232 control, direct IR input, a 12-volt trigger, bi-amp capability, room tuning for improved speaker sound, 3-year warranty, and additional profit margin for your sale. Some Elite models also include PC setup software for simplicity, Class D3 digital amplification providing less heat for better longevity, improved efficiency, and more consistent power with all channels driven. And they have an HDMI matrix to allow you to watch 2 sources simultaneously in 2 different zones, or strip audio from HDMI to be listened to in an audio-only second zone. Check out the full line of Pioneer Elite receivers on the Capital website today. And we'll see you next time on A Minute with Mike.